Alright guys, it's a day 2 in our adventure and we are driving amazing Ford Falcon. I'll show you more once we get to one of the locations that we're gonna get our photos taken. I'm falling in love with this car. I don't think our Saturday could be any better. Like this is freaking amazing. I love everything about it, details and the color and how it drives and the vibe, everything. It's freaking insane.
Look how beautiful this is.
Guys, this place is freaking insane. Like we're speechless. We are freaking speechless. Flowers, water, crazy trees, birds. Oh my god, rocks. I mean, the weather.
Perfect.
Wow. Like seriously, I don't have nothing else to say but wow. I just spotted deers. I think they're deers. Just right off the road, eating grass. This place just getting more and more beautiful. Yeah, again, I'm just speechless. Stand like that for me, I'll take few shots just off the car. Alright guys, so now we found a location where we want to take some photos, so we're gonna do that and I will insert some of the B-roll right here now. Guys, we just finished The sun went down on us, the fog came in, somebody needed to use the restroom.
And then somebody fell.
And then somebody fell. But we survived. I think we still got great shots, right?
Oh yeah.
And also like this view is still amazing, even if it's dark, even if it's foggy and anything like that. It's still so amazing. Look at this. Right now we even have a moon shown up. So like I said, it's nuts. It is freaking crazy. You can barely even see the ocean. Like, yeah, so we basically lost the ocean. It's right there. You can hear it, but it's super foggy. That's all we see, just that small amount of the road. It's freaking crazy. I mean, the camera even makes it like not as dark. It's way darker.
Yeah,
like we
dark.
seriously can
We only see
nothing.
a white line and a yellow line.
It's gonna be a long way home. I don't know if you guys can see me, but you can hear me probably. So we're gonna take it slow and head back towards our hotel. But before that, we'll try to find some food because we're hungry and it's definitely past dinner time. Oh yeah, you can see even the moon behind me right there. This place is everything. Like, this is something that me and Cher is saying, like, we would love to live here. Like,
yes.
This is incredible.
Because you have nature, you have the ocean.
Right.
We saw deer.
We saw a lot of deer, right?
You guys, I look like a granny. I have my
Yeah, we got cold
blanket
too.
on.
We got cold too. Yeah, so we
airport
have
blanket.
Blankets were a smart idea, right?
Yeah.
Like, this is an old school car, doesn't have heat, so we might want to take that. Oh, the light works right now because the car is behind us.
Hey, you guys. Yeah, hi. Oh my gosh, this road, you can barely see it.
Yeah, it's crazy. Oh, you can see just have a.
Oh, they had their brights on.
They had the brights on. Yeah, yeah. You can see. Look, guys, the moon is shining.
That's all of the light we have.
So yeah, we're just
moonlight.
riding in a Falcon in the moonlight.
63 Falcon.
This is romantic. It's too much. A little bit too much for us.
Too much.
Oh well, our adventures.
Adventures of Sharon and Leta.
Look at this old school stuff. That's all the light we have inside the car. Other than that, everything pitch black. This as well. But I think it's because of the car behind us.
Oh, it's giving us a little bit of light.
This is crazy. So we made it through the fog and basically a crazy low visibility. We made it to the hotel safely, and now we're just eating some leftovers that we had, drinking some tea, trying to warm up. And I guess we're just gonna upload the footage from today and go to sleep, right? To start early morning.
Don't hate.
I'm gonna say goodnight for right now, and I'll see you guys in the morning.